dog. So we're going to start off by going on hands and knees, and the bird dog is alternating one arm and one leg, reaching out. Okay? So we're going to start hands and knees here. What we're really looking for is we're looking not to drop in our back. We're trying to stay nice and strong through our core. We're going to reach one leg back. When we reach that leg back, we don't want to drop. We want to stay nice and strong, our back nice and neutral, and we want to make sure we're squeezing our glute. So we're going to reach one leg back, we're keeping that back neutral, and we're going to reach the opposite arm out. And we're going to push through that heel as you do it. Then we're going to come in and we're going to switch.